Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're here today. We're going to plant some corn. We did it by hand yesterday, but today we've upped it a little bit. We've upped our game. We got a push planter. Of course, we got the old push plow. Dad made those handles because they got tired of replacing them every 10 years. That thing will be the last thing left on Earth after the Holocaust.
You probably need it.
Yeah, I'm gonna need it. We got our seed. We got our fertilizer. We got our help. And then we got yours truly here. Yeah. All right, she's going. All right, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna rip us a little furrow down the right side of each one of these. We're gonna fertilize first.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that shit. He looks like he's done it before then. I can't keep up with him though. He's going too fast for me. There you got that right there. See it right there and put the fertilizer in there.
Make sure we're staying on the same side of the stream. We've got a row spaced 3 foot apart. All right. Now we're going to spread us a little fertilizer. We go a little thicker than we went yesterday. There you go. Once we're done with that, we're going to rake it back together smooth, and then we're going to get ready to run the planter. Yesterday we didn't have the planter. Today it's going to take about 10 times less time with the planter than without it. Thanks to Johnny Shaw for that. We've got David finishing up raking over the furrow. A lot of people like to just run the push plow down it again, but since we're running with the planter, we're going to go ahead and use the rake because that way we got a nice flat surface to run the planter, which we will be doing. Okay, now we got to put the proper plate in for the seed that we're using. And then we will dump the seed into the hopper here. And then I'm going to run it down the row. And David's going to hold the camera. You got to make sure you don't get hung up with the seed down in the hole. But this is how you do it. Take
You sure it's still putting seed? You see any seed? Falling?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, it's still falling. Yeah. Because sometimes the hole gets stopped up with trash or something,
and then all of a sudden you got a gap in your cornfield.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's so much easier than walking down there poking holes with your fingers.
That's shit, right?
Whole lot easier. You plant 5 acres of corn like this.
And Dave's right, and keep an eye on that little tube down there and make sure that it's steady dropping seed.
All right, like a roll.
And then we'll run the rake over it one more time lightly, and we're good.
Yeah, you're planting with this thing right here. You got plenty of time to go fishing. When you get through planting in your garden, get you one of these for about $120.
Yeah.
And
Where have you been all my life?
you good? You good? Learn something new every day. Every day you let go by and that you don't learn something new is a day that you wasted, as they say.
All right.
All right.
Looks like we still got enough seat for about 2 rows.
There you go.
Okay. Now Dave's gonna run the rake lightly over it one more time, and she's ready. Thanks for watching, folks.